Are these some of the best products on the market for cleaning your motorbike with? Well, today I'm going to be putting two of California Customs products to the test. Today I'm going to be using their Mron Glass, which is a clear coat cleaner and a wax, and their original purple, which is a metal polish. I'm going to be showing you guys a before and after on how both of these do, and also give you a demonstration of how they're used. So let's jump into it. Welcome back to the Whiskey Throttle Club. So the first thing I'm going to be using is the purple metal polish. Now the only thing I've done is given this a quick once over with the Karcher. I haven't given it a scrub or anything, so there's no camera trickery going on. So let's jump into it, let's check it out. So the first thing you do with the purple metal polish is you give the bottle a good shake and then just apply a small amount to a microfiber cloth, and then you just start rubbing, keep cleaning the area, and then eventually you should see the shine come through. So what I'm going to do, I might just try and do a line and then see how the line comes up to give it a bit of a reference for before and after. Geez, you can already see how much gunk it's pulling off. Look at that. Geez, that's made a huge difference already. And that's only after one application. So already you can see this is the bit here that I haven't cleaned. Straight through the guts there is where I've already started to polish. You can see how much of a difference it's already made. So I'm going to do another little demo smack bang in the middle. As you can see, it's pretty worse for wear, pretty gross. So I'm just going to do a circle straight in the middle so you can see how much time and effort you sort of put into getting the results. Look at that. Now I don't know if you can really see that spot I've just polished in the middle, the rest is pretty dull. That's already starting to come up, look pretty nice. I'm going to do everything and then show you the before and after of how well this metal polish actually works. So there you have it. Full transparency, that took me probably 20 odd minutes, and I went over everything once pretty quickly to be honest, but so far the results are bloody awesome. Like, look at that. Now obviously there's still some dull spots, so I could go over it again, which I probably will, but next we might try it on the forks. I mean, look at that, that's bloody unreal. That fork leg took me maybe 5 minutes, if that. Even though I don't know if you can see this, but that's not clean, and that's clean. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Mron Glass Clear Coat Cleaner and Wax on my tank here. Now, reading the instructions, it says you just basically put a thin layer on, you leave it to dry, and then the longer it dries, the deeper the shine. Then you dust it off using a clean, dry towel. Now I don't know how well this one's going to turn out being in direct sunlight, but if I just do this section here and let it dry, then we'll use a towel and wipe it off in a couple of minutes. Alright, so I've let the Mron Glass sit, bake it in the sun for a bit. Now, it's sort of gone almost like a powder. So I've got my clean microfiber here, and I'm just going to take that off and see if we can notice much of a difference. Jeez. I can. I definitely can. I don't know if you can really see that, but that has made a huge difference. On camera it's probably not going to show up because it's going to look a little bit weird on camera and on your screens, but that is insane. And there you have it, guys. That's the California Customs purple metal polish and their Mron Glass wax cleaner. Now, both of these did an absolute sick job. I don't know if the results are going to show for the Mron Glass. In person, it looks amazing. You can definitely notice the difference, but when I was looking back at the footage, even on the camera, you can't really notice that much, which is a bit of a shame because this works amazing. And obviously the metal polisher, that speaks for itself. That is freaking unreal. That's blown me away. I didn't think it was going to do that good of a job just off one pass, especially on the forks. But if you're in the market for some cleaners and polishers, I'll throw the link to California Customs below, and let me know what you think. Is there another product that you think could do better than these? Let me know in the comments, and like always, hit that like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.